I just started. We were both young when I first saw you. Close my eyes. No.
All about the news.
See the lights, see the party, the ball dance. You make your way through the crowd and say hello. There's the time, no.
You only all you were throwing pebbles.
And the daddy says they were Julia. And I was crying on the stairs, begging you please don't go. And I said, well, we can be.
I'll be the princess, the girl of school, me, baby boss.
I. So I sneak out to the garden, see you. Dead. The wild. Cause you were over, I was scarf but later. My daddy said, stay up with me, Julie. And now it's time to get away, but I go away. Go. And I said, I'll kill my dad if you want me to do that. I will be together. All I ever wanted. Oh, what to do. I'll be the princess of the story. Baby, just say yeah. Let's do this, man. Leave Ella. Just say yeah. That was it. Okay, this is it. Bye. Bye. Okay. Right there, baby. When I met you on the outside, so I said, Romeo said, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Always left to do, now to the ground. Pull up the ring, marry me, Juliet. You never have to feel. Oh, I'll be the friend. All the steps to do is ask your daddy. Not to the Kaya Satin. Just go on Facebook. You're just acting. You're just acting stupidly by making Sunday Sunday. Masyad, masyad kuko.